Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can delete member pages in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be like simple Wix, and here you just want to click on menus and pages, and then you're gonna see member pages. You of course can delete them my account, but what you can do is gonna select click events here and click the three dots here and just click delete. And yes, I'm sure that I want to delete it. And voila, this is how you can simply delete member pages. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.